In the intricate tapestry of Greek mythology, Ares stands out as the god of war, embodying the violent and chaotic aspects of conflict. Born to Zeus and Hera, he holds a significant position within the pantheon, yet his character often contrasts sharply with that of other deities, especially his sister Athena, who represents strategy and wisdom in battle. Ares is typically depicted as a physically imposing figure, clad in armor and wielding weapons like a spear and sword. He is sometimes portrayed accompanied by a helmet and shield, or driving a chariot pulled by powerful horses, reflecting the fierceness of battle and the nature of warfare. Among the symbols commonly associated with Ares are the vulture and the dog. The vulture signifies death and the aftermath of violence, while the dog represents loyalty, mingled with the ferocity that accompanies warfare, often seen as a companion amid chaos. Ares embodies the chaos and brutality of war, distinguishing him from the more strategic and disciplined representation of conflict embodied by Athena. He revels in the tumult of battle, thriving on the emotions of rage, fear, and bloodshed that accompany warfare. This passion for violence not only underscores his role as a war deity, but also illustrates the darker sides of human nature and the destructiveness of conflict. As the embodiment of war, Ares is often called upon by soldiers seeking valor and dominance in battle. His reputation as a strong warrior further emphasizes his relentless pursuit of victory. Additionally, as a skilled charioteer, he symbolizes speed and agility, which are indispensable qualities in combat. Ares' presence is prominent in various myths that highlight his aggressive nature and complex character. One of his most significant involvements occurs during the Trojan War, where he fights on the side of the Trojans. His uncontrollable rage and chaotic nature make him a formidable force on the battlefield, clashing with the heroic figures and exemplifying the devastation of war. His participation emphasizes the destructive consequences of conflict and the impact it has on both mortals and gods alike. Conflict is not limited to the mortal realm. Ares often engages in struggles with other deities. His aggressive demeanor leads to clashes with Athena, particularly during the Trojan War, where their contrasting approaches to warfare come into sharp focus. While Athena advocates for tactical strategy, Ares thrives in chaotic violence, representing the dichotomy between violence and reason. Ares's relationships with other gods showcase the restless energy he embodies. His infamous love affair with Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, serves as a striking juxtaposition to his warlike nature. Together, they bear children such as Phobos, fear, and Deimos, terror, who symbolize the psychological impact of warfare. Their union underscores the mythological theme that love can exist even in the realm of violent gods. Interestingly, Ares' character is often met with disdain by other Olympians due to his volatile personality. Stories recount how he was once captured by the Elodei, two giants who imprisoned him in a bronze jar for an entire year. This episode of vulnerability reveals that despite his status as a god, Ares is not invincible, and highlights the disdain many Olympians held towards him. The cultural significance of Ares extends beyond the myths. Though he was worshipped, his temples were fewer compared to other gods, like Athena or Zeus. His main cult center was in Sparta, a city known for its militaristic values. Festivals dedicated to Ares often celebrated martial prowess, aligning with the culture of those who revered strength in battle. Throughout history, Ares has appeared in numerous works of art and literature, where he often serves as a symbol of war's brutality. Depictions of him underscore the harsh realities of conflict, illustrating the consequences of unchecked aggression. Philosophically, Ares invites discussions about the nature of war, the delicate balance between strength and brutality, and the dual aspects of humanity, the capacity to protect and to destroy. In conclusion, Ares is a complex figure within Greek mythology, embodying both the primal and chaotic aspects of war and violence. While often portrayed as a bloodthirsty and savage warrior, a deeper exploration reveals his multifaceted nature as a deity, representing the harsh realities and consequences of human conflict. Through his various myths, relationships, and cultural significance, Ares remains a vital symbol of the complex emotions surrounding warfare, challenging humanity to consider the cost of aggression and the price of victory.